Weirdest item. Feeling ko wala. Walang weird. Ay! Meron!
Hi everyone! I am Mitch, a talent from Arch.
Hi, my name is Gwyneth Abigail Sila Rosa. You can call me Abby. I'm a talent from Arch.
Hello everyone! I'm Julia Alexis Hidalgo, a talent from Arch.
And today, I'm going to show you what's in my bag. So this is a Longchamp sky blue bag and then I only have one anik-anik kasi ayoko na madami kasi mabigat siya sa bag and maingay. So this anik-anik was given to me by my friend from Japan. Thank you so much.
Okay, my bag is from Longchamp. So basically, ito yung pasalubong sa akin ng parents ko from Europe. Nung nag-Europe sila.
Yung bag ko is from Bag Smart sa TikTok shop. So nagla-live sila doon.
Tapos minsan may mga percent off pa. Percent off pa, may mga vouchers. So yeah, mag-watch kayo ng live.
Tapos, eto, meron akong isang nakasabit dito, bayong. So, pinilit ko yung kaibigan ko na bilhan niya ako nito kasi binilhan niya yung iba. So, nakita ko lang sa...
Okay, one thing I can't leave the house without is actually my earrings. I need my earrings. Like, kahit na naka-phone lang ako, like, phone na ako lumabas ng bahay, I need my earrings.
So, siguro wallet and phone. Yeah. Ito yung two things na hindi ko talagang kayang maiwan.
One thing I can't leave is yung water tumbler ko. Pero na-leave ko na siya, so... so, hindi na. Actually, feeling ko yung makeup kit. Makeup kit. Medyo madumi na siya. Pero, ayun, feeling ko kasi dapat, lalo na pag may mga quiz ako, feeling ko dapat maganda pa rin ako pag nagku-quiz para kahit bagsak, at least maganda.
A very random envelope na walang laman. Actually, itong envelope, it was used to put in stickers. Kasi namimigay kami ng stickers. And then, tinanggal ko na yung stickers, iniwan ko yung envelope dito. I don't know if that's weird enough.
So, weirdest thing sa bag ko, siguro yung gamot. Gamot for singaw. Kasi nagkasingaw ako. Like, nagkasingaw ako dito sa my cheeks. Tapos, nung nawala siya, pumunta naman dito sa harapan. So, eto talaga.
Yung chinelas ko for today, siya yung weirdest. Okay, kasi naka-heels ako today. So, feeling ko, pangharabas, ganun. Kayo na mag-search ko, ano yun?
It's my earphones. Actually, backstory, this one, I bought it during the pandemic. And then, as you can see, I don't know if you can see, but it's yellowish, it's old. And then if you're gonna open it, tingnan nyo, sira na siya.
Memorable thing? Parang wala. Hindi, ito na lang. Lipstick. Kasi gift to ng best friend ko. So, it's Dior. Dior. No, it's Dior. So, ang shade niya is it's a Dior Addict Lip Maximizer 012.
Okay, eto. The Peak Tram. So, parang ticket to nung nagpunta kami sa Hong Kong kasi umattend ako dun ng conference under ASHRAE. American Society of... Ayoko basta pag mechanical engineering, ASHRAE. So, yan. CRC. Memorable.
Okay, I'll start with one of the biggest things in my bag. So, I have this curler. Actually, parang this is weird, no? I should have brought this out a while ago. But kasi nga, we have a photo shoot today. So, I really had to bring a curler. Like, whenever I host, whenever I have events that require me to, alam mo yun, maging kikay. Next big thing is my umbrella. So, this umbrella is so funny. Kasi, as you can see, it's actually mangosteen. It's a very cute umbrella. Then I kwento. Like, I brought this to Boracay. Tapos nakita ng friends ko. Pinagtawanan nila ako. Sabi nila, ano yan? Mangosteen? So, guys, it's my cute mangosteen umbrella. And then, okay, my makeup bag. Actually, ang dami pang nahulog. Isisiksik ko muna lahat sa makeup bag ko. Hindi siya kasha, guys. I'm so sorry. It's not like this. kapag everyday. Okay, so that's it for my makeup bag. Let's move on back to my bag. Okay, so here's my headset. So, wired pa rin siya. Actually, super funny, diba? I showed you guys the wireless. And I have a wired, I have a wireless. And then I have my wallet. Wag na natin i-tour yung wallet ko. And then next is fan. Come on, as a commuter, fan is essential in Lasal or anywhere you go in the Philippines in general. Let's go, fan.
So, the first big thing in my bag is my iPad. So, ayan. My cat, Milky. Actually, nawala tong buong bag na to. Tapos, hinanap ko, like, sabi ko, nung nawawala yung buong bag ko, ang hinahanap ko yung iPad ko, sabi ko, hindi ako makakapag-aral! Kasi may quiz ako noon. Nung nawala yung bag. So, thankfully, nahanap naman siya. So, may papakita ko sa inyo ngayong araw. Next is, ito, pouch. Puro pouch lang to. Ayan, mga charger. Actually, may dalawa akong earphones kasi minsan may dala akong laptop, magkaiba yung ano nila, port. Yan, merong, hindi ko alam anong tawag sa port na yan. Tapos merong Type-C. Okay. Next is wallet. So, regalo to sa akin ni Mommy nung birthday ko. Tapos, ayan, walang pera. Wala! Alumni card from UST Senior High School na hindi ko rin nagamit. Woo! Tapos, okay, my makeup kit na madumi. Vibe Beauty, not sponsored. Next is calculator as an engineering student. Hindi ko talaga to naiiwan kasi hindi ko lang alam bakit. Tapos, okay, lastly, phone.
May pouch sa bag ko. And then, ito, from Charles & Keith siya. Diba? Kasi mayroong mga pouches yung sa Charles & Keith. So, kinuha ko lang siya para lang maging organized. And then, perfume. Oil-based to. So, nilalagay ko muna to bago ako niro-roll ko siya bago ako mag-spray para matagal to. For my lashes, extensions. And then, wala nang laman. And then, inside naman, kita nyo ako ng laman. ID. Hindi ko sinusuot yung ID ko, pero kailangan natin siya suotin. And then, keys ng condo. And then, glasses. Kaya lang ako may dalang glasses for later sa shoot. I also have mirror. Actually, dapat nandito to, pero hindi ko nalagay. And then, lip balm. Kasi yung lips ko, dry siya ngayon. Yeah, ito yung favorite lip balm ko kasi ito lang yung effective sa akin.
And that's it for what's in my bag.
I hope you enjoyed!